what are some of the setbacks of running an RCM Blitz program versus an RCM program? Why do you feel like a lot of companies want to standardize the entire company to a certain RCM standard before, let's call it taking the crawl, walk, run approach?
Well, those that want to do that will find themselves at some point in a position where somebody a level or two up is going to say, where is my money going? Right? I'm only going to dump so much money into this hole before I, at some point, say, what am I getting for it? Right? The advantage of the crawl, walk, run is you're going to be able to see that money. The disadvantage of that is sometimes it goes at a pace that people just are like, whoa, hang on, whoa. This gets to a point where I've had customers that have gotten so excited because we get through their first one that they say, okay, can you come back next week? And I'll tell them, well, why don't you implement what we just did? And I know that's going to take you a month. And a month from now, we can talk about whether I've got a window open to do that. All right. And they'll look at me and they're like, this actually happened with Cargill. They said, you're telling us you don't want any money? I said, no, that's not what I said. I said, I want you to be successful. Yeah, but if we offered you to come back next week, you'd say no. And I said, yeah, absolutely. You're not ready. When you show me you've got 80% of that implemented, I'm ready to come back. Right? Until then, you haven't showed me that you're willing to do your part. Right? This is a partnership. I'm teaching your people. I want you to get something out of it. Right? And that was kind of shocking to them. But then they also realized, holy smokes, there's actually consultants out there that would say no, that would say, do what you have to do first before I come back. Right? And that kind of, to them, they went, wow, this guy, he's all right. Right?
Yeah, it's not just about charging me an arm and a leg. And that's what I love about you, Doug. It sounds like you're really looking out for companies' best interests.